here. Okay, recording. Okay. G'day, this is Thomas Grant here from Australia, and today I've got some very special guests from the UK with Terry and Bill. Just say hi, quick hi there. Good.
Hi.
Hi there.
Right, and
Hi.
before I give you send them over to you to have a chat with them, I want to talk to you about AdStaker, my progress, show you my dashboard, and then I'll be talking to Bill, who posted, if I can bring this up here, just a moment here. Let me bring it here. There we go. And wrong screen. No, wrong one. Just give me a moment here. There it is. Right. Okay. Come here. Right now, Bill posted this, and I contacted Bill because he posted this in the AdStaker Telegram room. He said received. He's also received here. What did he put here?
Oh, there's one from me as well.
Yeah. Use there. Oh, okay. So that may, yeah. I got a sale today, thanks AdStaker. So we'll be talking about that with Bill and Terry in a few minutes. But let me just go into AdStaker. Stake, click, and earn. It's that simple, and these two guests will be affirming that. So let me go to my dashboard and tell you what I've done today in my account, because I've been in this thing for about a month. I can go to my day here, current month here. So I joined, I think I started on the 2nd of November, and it's coming up to 1 month in AdStaker, and I can tell you it works. And these two gentlemen, these two guests will be confirming that with me as well. But so today, which was quite interesting, in AdStaker, when you put money into AdStaker, not only can you advertise your advertisements, and as you saw from Bill, he's actually had some success, and we're talking about that in a moment, from his advertising. So we're mentioning that in a moment. But I had money. I had this thing up to 1.6, I think it was. I unstaked or withdrew my AdStaker tokens, converted them in PancakeSwap, and if you're unfamiliar what to do, there's a great tutorial series. I mean, it's got 6 videos that are reasonably short, easy to follow. If I can follow them, if Bill can follow them, and Terry can follow them, then you can follow them. You can get started in AdStaker, buy some AdStaker tokens, use some of those tokens to advertise your opportunity, get some eyeballs on your ad, just like Bill did today. So, yesterday or whenever day he got them. Anyway, back to my dashboard. So I unstaked today, converted that money, converted the AdStaker tokens into BNB, withdrew that BNB from my MetaMask, and if I can bring my MetaMask up, I've got to put my password in, but yeah, I converted it into BNB using MetaMask, then withdrew that from my MetaMask into my Binance account, converted that into Australian dollars into my bank account, and paid my bill, which is a house, counter rates. Anyway, that's what I did today. So I was able to unstake. You can actually withdraw. You can unstake now any amount that you wish. So it's no longer are you forced to take all your AdStaker and then put it back again. So you can unstake what you want. Anyway, so on to my guests today, which is Terry and Bill. And Bill, as I showed earlier, you had some success advertising your sales page on AdStaker, correct?
Yes. So I had one sale for African Startup League. Somebody bought 100 tokens for 10,000 tokens for $100.
Mm-hmm.
And a commission from that. And that was just today. I've also had one sale from Funded Media.
Yep.
And several people join. You haven't paid yet, but they joined into the program.
And that's
so
what you need.
Well.
Let's go to here. I'm not sure. Sometimes my ads don't show up on Firefox, but these are the ads you can see in AdStaker. And I think Rick is also bringing in AdStaker version 2, which will have more benefits for advertisers. So if you want more eyeballs on your ad or whatever it is that you want to promote, consider using AdStaker. And as you heard from Bill, and you're going to hear from Terry, these gentlemen have used AdStaker to promote their wares and have had success doing so. Correct?
That's right. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
And you guys, I mean, you've been in AdStaker for since I think Bill mentioned that you've been in this for a while since it started. You actually walked through the video, or maybe there weren't videos back then, but I mean, I found it fairly easy to do. The ads that you see on the screen right now, I mean, you get eyeballs on them, as Bill and Terry mentioned. You know, he's got a sales. He may have a sales page, a landing page, and all you really need is someone to see your ad, click on it, maybe bookmark it, and then put in their details, and you've got a lead from the advertising, and that lead may turn into a prospect that actually purchase something or be involved in something, and you get results. Right? That's all advertising is for, right?
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah. So
it's a fantastic place to advertise.
Yeah, and the price for AdStaker tokens at the moment is, if I go to, I think it's PancakeSwap, isn't it? There you go. Okay. Now, again, you can find the videos on how to add the token onto your MetaMask. It's all the videos are there. I've got it here in AdStaker. You can see the price. I think it's 0.01. So great opportunity to buy them. The more people that use the AdStaker token, the better the price will increase. Should increase, won't it? So there's great opportunity not only to buy their tokens and hold them, use them for advertising to get eyeballs onto your ad, and these two gentlemen are testament to that particular format using AdStaker tokens. Right. Anything you want to say about AdStaker, that you guys?
Yeah. I'll say Bill introduced me to it.
Yep.
Well, he actually told me about it before it started. He said there was this great advertising program coming online. So I joined, I think the same day Bill did, or it might have been the day after. And it's just really so easy to use it. You know, I'm placing ads on every day, and it's just so simple. You just put in, you know, how many views you want, and put a title and URL in there to your landing page or your capture page, and it just works flawlessly. And like Bill, I've been advertising one of the programs that I introduced Bill to, Africa Startup League, and I've been getting sales in that, and it's just fabulous advertising. And the great thing about it is that the people that are viewing your ads, they bought AdStaker tokens, so they're actually fantastic prospects to be shown your ads to, because you know they've got money in their pocket, and you know they're buying things. So you know it's premium advertising, and it's so easy to do. And you know, I just like to thank Bill for introducing me to the program. It's absolutely fantastic.
Your turn, Bill.
Yeah, well, I was just going to mention about the new unstaking feature where you can partially unstake some of the tokens. So that's very useful, because you can maybe say you want 1,000 ad views, you can just unstake 100 AdStakers. Click the buttons, and it takes out of your MetaMask. Very simple. And also, as you mentioned, if you had to pay a bill or something, you can pay that. And even buying it from PancakeSwap is very simple. Yeah. I love the way it's all connected to your MetaMask and all pretty much automatic.
And you don't have to worry about your money not being held there, because it took me about 10 to 20 minutes for the money to go from my AdStaker tokens into my MetaMask, and then from there swap them. Easy to do. The videos are all there. If you want to watch them, there's the how to unstake right there in the video section there. Stake more if you want to stake more. if you want to buy advertising, everything is in the purple document as well on how to do everything. It's easy to do. It's I mean, I found it fairly easy. These guys found it really reasonably easy, and the results is what we're after. I mean, having been in other advertising platforms, getting eyeballs on whatever it is that you want to promote is the key thing. And if you can get a sale from that or a lead from that, then you know that the advertising that you're purchasing actually works.
Yeah, it definitely works. It's as I say, well, both me and Bill, we're running ads every day because it works, and that's the main thing. So it works great, and the instruction videos were there when we both joined, so I didn't find a problem whatsoever. I just step by step just went through the videos and set everything up, and
Same here.
the pro never had a single problem with the website, the platform. It's
No.
brilliant.
I think there was one day, if I go to my dashboard, where I had one day where the stake reward wasn't calculated. However, I did my maths on a worksheet I've got working in the background, and actually it was credited to me even though it doesn't show up here. So that was good from Rick. And there was a recent 25% bonus, which I was looking on my account balance here, thinking, how come it's not showing up? I didn't even look in my MetaMask. That's where it was.
Right, fantastic.
So there you go. So I'll use that for my bill. Anyway, that's AdStaker. So anyone watching this from the UK or from anywhere in the world, and the brilliant thing about AdStaker, and why I like how Rick approached this whole concept in regards to AdStaker, is that in many other opportunities that I've been in, I know Bill and Terry have been in, you got to upload your KYC, you know your customer forms like your driver's license or where you live. In AdStaker, you don't need that because AdStaker are providing a service. And they've got their own tokenomics, in other words, that do away with anything to do with KYC because America is like, you got to have all this KYC, and Americans are very bit strange. But anyway, if you're from America and want to do be an AdStaker, you can do so, promote your business, and not worry about KYC. Get your views, get some eyeballs on your ad. The advertising is very good. You get a lot of eyeballs on it. Bill and Terry are both walking, talking proof of that very fact. So again, it works, and I'm really glad that these two gentlemen, these two guests, have agreed to be on this particular video. We tried it before, but somehow the recording didn't work. But anyway, we try a bit, have fun doing this. And if you want to reach out to see what's happening, go to the Telegram room. You can join it. You can see what other people success are happening from AdStaker. There's a lot of videos on there. There's a great group there. But I've had success. I've been able to withdraw. I've seen my ads get views. 194 views on my ads, and this is the one ad I had previous ads. So I get views on the ads that I promote. That's all I'm after, really. Anyway, any final thoughts on AdStaker while I have you two here?
Well, the other thing I think you've got as well is you've got the referral program, which is quite lucrative, and 3 levels, and also daily staking rewards.
And again, that's also auto compounding. I think Terry mentioned earlier in the previous video I talked to.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's daily. It's like 1%, 2% or more daily, rather than bank seems to be 1% a year or something.
Yes, and anything that gives you a profit or you can get views to whatever it is you're promoting is better than anything any bank will give you anywhere. I mean, they use a lot of money for advertising, and what do you get in return for it? Not much at all, but that's life. look, if you're after advertising, AdStaker is a fairly easy platform to do. The ads work, as I can show via the where is it here? The ads here, you can see your Black Friday special. I think that was Rick's. I think. All you got to do is click on the red dot, and all you got to do is you 10 ads a day, and you can click and earn every day that you want to be involved in AdStaker. And if you don't want to be involved, you can unstake all of it, leave the program, have your thing there and be done with it. But if you're getting results like Bill and Terry are, then you may want to consider sticking with it and buying even more advertising, getting more eyeballs on your ad. Again, these are the ads that I click on 10 ads a day. It takes me about, I don't know, 10 minutes to do, 10, 20 minutes to do, so it's not that difficult. These guys can do it. You click on 10 ads a day, don't you guys?
Yeah,
Very
sometimes
simple.
click on more, actually.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I once did it where I did grayed out the whole screen because I did them all.
All right.
And I thought, oh, did I do something wrong because I didn't think they would turn up again? But 24 hours again, I just refreshed the screen and I was able to do my ads again. So, again, it's a buyer's market. As Terry pointed out, and Bill pointed out, these people that join AdStaker, you can't view these ads for free. You need to actually stake, that is, put in some skin in the game, which is some AdStaker tokens, and you're going to buy them, and they're really cheap, and you can buy as many as you want, and use that money to advertise. I think it's I think I mentioned it's $22 to join. It's about 50 AdStaker tokens, which is 22 US dollars, which is not much at all.
Soup.
So that's all you need to do.
Didn't you make soup?
Oops, sorry. Yeah. Sorry for that. Where was I? So yeah, if you're looking for advertising, join AdStaker. It works. These guys are proof. If you're looking for ads to view, you can see a lot of opportunities here to join, and you'll see Bill's and Terry's ad as well. You can click on that link and join whatever that is, or whatever else they're promoting. And I'll be putting their links in the description once I put this video up. But I really like to thank Bill and Terry for agreeing to be on this video call and talking about their success with AdStaker. And I'm sure we'll do lots more of these videos as I bring in more AdStaker members who have had success with AdStaker advertising. Correct, guys?
That's great. Yes, thank you very much for inviting me. It's been fun. Yeah.
The first one was much more fun, and I wish I recorded that one because I don't know what I'm doing, but shit happens. So what do you do? So we like to keep it light and fresh. But look, if you're I'm going to repeat this over and over again. If you're looking for advertising, that's reasonably cheap and effective, because Bill and Terry have seen results, and if you want results like Bill and Terry, then you may want to consider using AdStaker to promote whatever opportunity it is and get some views on it. All right, so there's that. Thanks a lot, guys. Stick around.
Right.
I've stopped the recording, and we'll go from there. And I'll stop recording here.